Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and check iPhone warranty. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. So first things first, all you need to do is go to your settings, scroll all the way down, tap on general, go to about, and then copy this serial number right over here. And once you've done that, all you need to do is just head to coverage.apple.com. And once you're on coverage.apple.com, what you can do is simply go ahead. Let me just go ahead and search it again for you. So coverage Apple, and then it's going to simply go ahead and pop up right here on the first. Simply tap on that, choose your country that you have your device from. Simply go ahead and enter your serial number right over here. And once you've submitted your serial number and tapped on submit, it's going to go ahead and show you if it has your coverage or not. So as you can see, it says expired. That is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like